What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome to the third ever video on my channel, and today I'm super excited to show you guys what I've been doing over the past week. So I actually got into the Pokemon card collecting side hustle, and it's also a hobby but can be a side hustle, and I just wanted to see, if there was any money in this and I could actually turn a profit doing this kind of stuff. And there's been a lot of YouTubers lately, a lot of big people doing some crazy Pokemon card pack openings and making a dumb amount of money. So I was like, okay, I got to get into this and see what I can do. So unfortunately, I don't have Logan Paul's bank account, which I did, but I couldn't afford to go out there and buy $200,000 worth of Pokemon cards. But what I did do was I went over to the local Toys R Us and I cleaned out every single pack that they had on the shelves. So that was pretty fun. And then I got together with a couple of my friends and we opened up every single one of them. Inside of these packs, there were 3 packs, but there was this Evolutions pack inside, which is supposed to be really good. You can pull a lot of high-valued stuff. Apparently, there's like 5 different Charizards, so you can get a lot of value and hopefully turn a profit when you open these packs. And just a little bit of a backstory about Pokemon. When I was younger, I played all the video games. I prayed that I would get all the packs and tins and everything. Every Christmas and every birthday. Pokemon was something I kind of grew up with and I absolutely loved it. So much like a lot of other people getting into this side hustle right now, it's very nostalgic and it's I guess it just brings back all these great memories from when I was much younger and really into Pokemon. So for those couple reasons right there, I knew this was something that I had to do. So I went out to Toys R Us, like I said, and I picked up every single Evolutions pack that they had there. And I'm hoping to make some money. And then I'll give you guys a little bit of a breakdown just to show you guys in terms of the money. So how much money we could potentially be getting out of all these packs. And just, break down more about this Pokemon investing and card collecting in general. There's a huge spike right now, not only Pokemon, but sports cards, baseball cards, basketball cards, even soccer cards, all different cards have just exploded in value. So people who've been collecting for a very long time are laughing right now and they're making tons of money. But hopefully you guys can get something cool out of this video. And I do want to make more of these collecting type videos, especially with Pokemon, because who doesn't love Pokemon? It's just so fun and it's sick. Also, please excuse my knowledge on the value of the cards and just everything with Pokemon card collecting right now, as I've kind of just jumped into this. It's going to take some time. It's definitely going to take a lot of research to figure out, all the different values of all the cards and all the sets and everything like that. So please just bear with me, as this is the first video that I'm doing in regards to Pokemon card collecting, and I kind of just jumped into it. So, also help me out in the comments if you see something that I said wrong, or please leave some comments down below for me as well. And so we got all these packs lined up, and we got all these pins, and we're going to give away every single pin to random commenters. So comment down below if you want one of these pins. We got them with 3 different characters. And just for reference here, the packs came in 3 different colors. So Cam's holding up a red one here, I got a blue one and the yellow one. We'll get started off by opening all of the Steam Sieges. So that's one of the packs inside of the 3-pack here. Here we go.
12 seconds later.
You're gonna have to cut that out, mate. Monferno. Honorith. Oshawott.
Not looking too good so far.
Fungus. Mankey. Clink. How many more do we have? Ooh!
What you got there?
Dino.
Oh, Dino? I don't know that guy. He's too new for me.
Then we got a Jumpluff. Alright, that's it.
So, unfortunately,
no good cards.
Yeah, so first pack was kind of a bust there, but it's alright, Cam. We'll get him next time. Alright, so I decided to just jump out of order and kind of throw in a bunch of random clips throughout the night, just because there's absolutely no way that we're getting through 4 hours of pack openings on a single video. So I just picked and chose some clips, threw them in here, and then towards the end I'll give you a rundown on all the pulls that we got in this night. Oh, reverse hollow Arcanine. That's pretty cool. Oh, we got a good pull.
Pidgeot.
Wow.
Pidgeot.
Whoa.
Let's go.
Pidgeot EX. 2, 3. And there you go. A card turned. Weird. All right. flip this around. Full heal, Porygon, Pokédex, and there's the Charmander again that I initially saw. Psychic Energy, Yellow Cheeks Pikachu again. That's cool. Growlithe, Machop.
Oh,
A break,
we got a break.
Inside of an Evolutions pack. Machamp. That's
Pretty
cool.
Good. That is good.
Champ, great.
Dugong as the rare.
Alright, we got Metapod. Professor's Oak. Oh my gosh. Zooey Mama. Blue Energy. Growlithe. Machop. Voltorb. Okay. I see a Charizard. Nope, Diglett. And a Dugong. What a just god awful.
That was
pack.
Charizard that you can get.
Machoke.
Super Potion, Charizard,
Spirit Link.
Vulpix, Sandshrew,
Ponyta.
Magnemite.
Pikachu.
Oh! Big
Charmander.
pulls. Reverse Hollow Charmander. That's a nice pull.
Oh,
And then an Arcanine coming in as a rare. Get that
I'm gonna
sleeve
look
and
up
let's
how
check
much
out
that reverse.
With Sheldon. Sorry if I'm just mispronouncing everything. Fletchinder. Duot. Chimchar. Dino, whatever. Tangela. Krogunk. Oshawott. Larvesta. And wow, look at that card, boys. Mega Steelix EX. That has to be worth something.
Looks like some nice centering
Come
on
on.
this card, actually.
Yo, I think I have X-ray vision. I see through it.
You got a maintenance,
Oh my
Alright.
gosh.
a haunter,
Haunter. Actually, by the way, guys, it was a good pack.
A flying
It was a good
Pikachu.
pack. It was a good pack. I did cheat and look.
Ghastly,
X-ray?
Ghastly.
Caterpie, Drowsy,
gosh.
Magikarp.
I see something shiny.
Could it be a Blastoise? Electabuzz.
Electabuzz,
Reverse Hollow
Reverse
Poliwhirl.
Hollow Poliwhirl.
Coming up on the rare here. Great call, Colin. Great call.
Blastoise.
In the Blastoise pack. Let's go. Oh my
In the
gosh.
Blastoise pack.
Yeah. Blastoise.
Time, guys. The final pack with the Charizard artwork on it. How
Will we pull
insane
the
would that be if we pulled the Charizard on the final pack? So, final pack. We'll go 3 from the back. 1, 2, 3. And flip. We got Brock's Grit, Maintenance, Switch, Sandshrew, Ponyta, Magnemite, Yellow Cheeks Pikachu, Machop. Ooh, Reverse Hollow Misty's Determination, and the rare coming in is a Beedrill. Alright guys, so it was a pretty fun night. Got together and, opened all these packs. Obviously, unfortunately, we didn't pull a Charizard, which obviously would have been pretty crazy and definitely would have thrown that clip in. But we did get some pretty nice pulls, so I just want to recap, I guess, some of the events that happened, because I didn't want to bore you guys with like 3 hours of our pack opening, because we did have just so many packs to open. But I kind of want to cut to the chase here and show you guys the value on, I guess, the valuable cards that were pulled from the Evolutions packs. The other packs in the set weren't anything too crazy, so I'm not going to go over some of the pulls there. So starting off, we just got this Pidgeot EX here. And then this card's pretty cool, Reverse Hollow Chansey, followed by a Hollow Nidoking. Again, guys, all these were packed within the Evolutions packs. Those are the packs that you can actually pull cards of value within that 3-pack. And here's the Gyarados. I really love this card. Super cool. And then the Reverse Hollow Pikachu as well. And then Dragonite EX. That's a pretty cool card. It's like a completely golden card. And then this Reverse Hollow Charmander. Charmander's an awesome little guy. And then here's the Blastoise. If you guys saw that clip, we were all going pretty crazy when we pulled this. Unfortunately, it isn't worth as much as we initially had thought, but it is still a really cool card. And then last here, we got this Poliwrath Hollow, which is pretty cool. So, although, probably spent a lot more money than I should have, didn't get anything too insane. It was still a great experience. It was tons of fun. I would recommend for all of you guys, to get into some sort of side hustle or hobby or something. It just, you can potentially make money from it, but also it's just really fun and something to do. And especially like for me, I was really into Pokemon way back in the day. So now it's like awesome getting back into it and, being able to actually spend some money. Like when I was a kid, I would have to beg my parents to be able to go and buy a pack. But now I can get some packs for myself and open them up, which is pretty cool. Nonetheless, I do think that from an investment standpoint, collecting cards, Pokemon, and other sports cards in general is a great idea for the long term to hold on to, because it's just shown that, like, for example, Pokemon, way back when all the kids who grew up in the 1990s were, obsessed with Pokemon. Now that they're all like 20, 30, and they kind of have some more money in their pocket, they really feel like they need to go back and buy those cards that they could never have or that they never pulled before, now that they have money. And so that's, I feel like, what's really driving up the value lately is everyone wants to get, that original Charizard that you wanted so bad when you were a kid. And it's just really cool to see, and it is really, really fun. So that's kind of my take on it all. And then just a side note on these as well, in case any of you guys are interested, what I'm planning on doing with all these cards and all these pulls is I'm actually not going to sell them right away or list them on eBay or anything. I'm actually just going to hold them. And I think, in 10, 20 years, maybe even a couple of years, who knows, at the rate that this is going, they could be worth quite a lot, especially looking at some of these cards, like these holo rares here. They really resemble the first edition cards, that like the OG, the ones that came out in 1999, those cards. So that's really valuable to have, because as soon as all of those, I guess, booster boxes and packs and everything are all opened up and off the market, and every collector's got, the cards they want from that set, then there'll be a shortage and people will move on to the next greatest thing, which in this case, there are a couple other ones that are similar, but these are basically a reprint of those original cards from 1999. So I feel like these are going to go up in value immensely over the next few years. So I would definitely look at, if you're investing in cards, opening some Evolutions XY as well. They are a good buy, and you can get these original type cards. And I will probably look to post another Pokemon video sometime soon, maybe even get into some other sports cards. So if you are interested in Pokemon and sports cards in general, collecting cards, then feel free to hit the subscribe button. Check out the channel. I also do e-commerce and digital marketing stuff as well. But again, I will try to mix in a few Pokemon or card collecting or, other sort of side hustles and tips and tricks to make money pretty much in any way I can. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video next week. I will be starting to get on a regular schedule and trying to post a video every single Monday. So tune in for that. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Peace.